Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Master. So this video is in the continuation of the first part of update set. In that video, we have seen how to create the update set and what is the update set, what is the use of update sets, how to create it, how to create the local update set. So actually, I have two instances, two ServiceNow instances, which I have login with the another email address. So the first one, which I have used as an to make the update set, you can. You can think of it as a developer instance, and I have by beginning of this video I have logged in with the another ServiceNow developer instance, PDI. So I log in by using another email address, so you guys can also log in. So I now make it as a testing instance for me. You guys can also make it for you in your real-time project. The project will provide you three instances, that is the dev, test, and the prod environment. That was the very different instances they have. So I come to the different instances, and as you can see, so the update sets which we have deployed on the developer instance, it's not there in today instance, into the testing instance. So let me just show you into the category, right? In that previous video, we have we have added one category field, but the category is not there. Application issue choice is not there into category. So why it's not there? Because we have not migrated our changes from the dev to the tester instance. So to migrate it, what you have to do, you come to the system update set, into the testing environment, you come on it, and you click on retrieve update sets. Retrieve update sets, update set that have been pulled from another ServiceNow instance, right? Now Now you have to come to the related links. Import update set from XML. Import the updated set from an XML file exported from another instance. So into the previous video, in last we have seen that after doing the changes, we have also taken the export XML file, right? So we have to import that XML file into the testing instances. So what I will do, I'll click on this import XML and choose the file to upload. So I'm choosing file from my desktop, XML file, and upload that file. So through the retriever update set functionality, you can migrate the changes from developer to the instance, testing instance. So as you can see, the user story one is there, right? When I just click on it, yeah. So after committing this update set, ensures you map any unmapped custom tables to the subscription. Okay, so as you can see, this is the retrieved update set. Retrieve means we have taken the update set from the another instance through the XML file. Name is there, application state, loaded application name, and then export to XML. Export to XML, then again download into the XML file. Don't do this. Customer updates is just showing here, and if there is any of the child updates you want to make it with associated with the retrieve update set, you can make it. Okay. Next, before committing, what I want to do is I want to preview the update set, that okay, the changes are that only or not. So close, and if I just click on the preview update sets, before committing on the preview update set, will preview all the changes, and it will also show the his updated is 1, deleted 0, collision, total timing, update, delete, run preview again if you want to review preview it again, commit update set. Okay. And customer updates. Here you can see it, child update sets. So now it's a time to commit our update set. I have clicked on commit update set, waiting for the background job to be done, and update set committed succeed in 2 seconds. Close it. Yeah, so as you can see, this is committed. This retrieve updated set is committed. In update sets to commit or update set to commit history, you can see that the user story one is committed, right? Update sets to commit, like which have not committed, so you can see into this module update set to commits, right? So we have seen local update sets, we have seen retrieve update sets, then we have seen update set to commit, update set commit history also we have seen. Okay, now we'll see. You can also see the commit log here. Click on the retrieve update set, and into that update set, when you scroll it down and before the related links, you can see the commit logs as well. Finish the update log, info status, if there is status of the error or not. So you can also see the logs here. If any, if you want to debug it, then you can debug while seeing in the commit log. Now it's a time to verify our results. So what we want to do, we come on the incident and create new, because the changes comes onto the testing environment. Now into the category, as you can see, the application issue is there, right? So the tester will perform his or her role. He will test that okay, the change is there, and he pass on to the production environment. Again the same instance, you will do it, the same practice is performed. Okay, some more functionality I want to show it to you guys. System update, right? Merge update sets, merge completed sets, right? I want to show it to you. Come to the local update set. Before showing the merge update set, I want you to make sure that what the thing we can configure, we can use in the update set, what all things we can't, right? So I will show you. Yeah, so what does an update set capture? The update set capture the UI policies. Whatever the UI policies you made onto the developer instance, it will get migrated. UI policies, business rule, client scripts, any tables and columns or the form layout, it all get captured. Okay, the thing which does not captured through the update set is the reports, dashboards, schedule jobs, and your data, such as any of the data which is there into the user table or into the incident change table. The data already existing, it doesn't get migrated from one developer to the testing environment, and not into that afterwards production environment. So these things doesn't get captured. Rest all the things can be captured through the update sets. And for the data, it is very much common to add the data, bulk data if you want to add it, or simply some small amount of data, you can use the functionality import sets, right? We have seen the import sets, auto map field, transform map, right? So can we move data using update sets? No, we can't do this. Import sets is there to perform this change. How do you retrieve an update set from another instance? How can you retrieve it? By using the retrieve update set functionality feature from the update source, or use the XML. We have clicked on it, right? XML export import method. Now I would tell you what is a default update set. So it is the update set selected by default for capturing any changes. You can change it from the application navigator. Okay, so the default update set. Default update set is what? For example, think that in your team, some 10 ServiceNow developers are there, and all the developers are doing the changes on their developer instance. So all the developer changes will be seen into the default update set, right? So for example, default global in progress state, for this particular instance, all the changes, see, when you click on the default update set, state is in progress, all the changes which is done on this developer instance will capture here. Customer updates is 278. We have not done any of the local update set here, right? We have not done on the changes, but it all are the previous ones. So you can see all the previous ones into the update set, default update set. And do not make this mistake to change the state of the default update set to complete, because in the default update set it's always in the state in progress. If you by mistakenly or if you intentionally change the state to complete and update it, so ServiceNow will create another version or default update set 1 version of the default update set. Okay, your current update set has been changed to default 1. As you can see, I'll show it to you. Okay, let me just refresh. Yeah, so as you can see, default global complete we have done. So default 1 global in progress automatically created by ServiceNow, right? Customer updates, here it is not. You can make the state of default update set to complete the when all the changes of your project and all the work of the ServiceNow development has completed, and now you don't want to do any of the changes on ServiceNow, then you can mark it as complete. Otherwise, it's not recommended to do it. I hope you can understand the default update set, right? Okay. Some more questions we'll practice. What happens if the same record is updated in 2 different update sets? Right, the same record is updated in 2 different update sets. So the latest committed update sets override the previous changes. For example, I am the developer 1 and another one is developer 2. We have done the same record but in 2 different update sets. I have committed the change some 1 hour ago and the developer 2 has committed some 30 minutes ago. So developer 2 changes will override over my changes. How do you resolve update set collisions? Use the preview update set. We have used the functionality, right? When we have moved to the tester environment, tester instance, then retrieve the update set, and after retrieving the update set, we have preview update set, a feature to identify and if there is any of the collisions or not, and manually resolve or merge the conflicting updates. So what is the skipped update? Skipped updates are updates that were not applied during the commit due to dependency issue or conflicts. You can preview and recommit them. Some of the updates get skipped due to any of the dependency issue or due to the conflict. You can recommit it again. Now, what is the purpose of the preview before commit? To detect any of the collision, missing dependencies, or the skipped updates, right? How to capture table creation in update set. New tables are not automatically included. You must manually associate the created table to your update set using the customer update record. So the tables, see the table we can migrate it from the update set into the another instance, but the record in the table such as in the incident cmdb underscore ci, all these records can't be migrated to another instance. So I hope you understand this thing. We'll meet in our next video with the merge update set. Till then, bye bye.